have been out sick the past 2 days. My voice is still recovering. The weather went from 80 to 50 degrees, and so a few days ago I was out in Brooklyn with some friends, and I think that's when I got sick. It was sunny, but it was a lot colder than I expected, so I wasn't really dressed apart. Yeah, so I've been recovering, doing nothing for the past 2 days, and today I'm feeling a little bit better, so I wanted to get a little bit more productive. Still woke up very late. My body had just been very slow, but I really wanted to tackle just organizing my studio space. I have a lot of paper and supplies cooped up inside my closet, so I'm thinking of bringing that all out. Just having it a little bit more accessible so that I can be more actively creative. Yeah. I also might change this layout here. I have some postcards, and maybe I might decorate this wall. I also have my matcha assisting me. Alright, so let's get started. I'm just gonna move my desk first out of the way. Down because when I have my table here, it kind of blocks access to this. I'm gonna put items that are a little bit lower. All my sewing books. It might be a little too high, so I might lower it a little bit. I do really like the postcards. These are all the ones I bought from Korea. They look so good together. This side is looking a little empty, and so I'm going to put this sticker that I got from a cafe in Korea. And then I also have this little drawing that I did, so I might stick that here just to fill the space. It'll look something like that. Cute. I'm just gonna head out and get some groceries, and also might stop by a cafe and pick up a pastry and a latte. I have my kind of rain jacket and a skirt. Right now the weather looks nice and it's kind of warm, so yeah, I'm gonna head out.
You came and rescued me. The pain will never go away. It's in.
I am actually going to be heading out very soon. This is the outfit that I'll be wearing. Just super simple, just a t-shirt from Uniqlo. I think it's their like Airism line. And then I just have some jeans on. I really love these ones that I got from Korea. I went thrifting yesterday, and so I just have a couple things that I wanted to show you guys. The things that I got aren't really for summer. I got this polo long sleeve. It's really long and I found it in the men's section. I like how it's not really a solid color but kind of marled. It's really big, but I wanted to wear it over skirts, kind of like a dress. This cropped hoodie, which I'm very excited about actually. It's so simple, but I've been looking for something like that. I just love that it's short and there's some cute styling potential with this one. Another gray top, and this one's also so cute as well. It's super cozy and comfy. The fabric is so soft, and then I like that the back is also two-toned. I also got these Reebok track pants, the side detail here, but then at the bottom there's like this curve. I really like these. I think I'll be wearing them in the summertime. And lastly, I got this skirt and it's so pretty. It's like this very crisp cotton material. So cool. I think that somebody actually made this though, because there's like no tag. The stitching isn't exactly perfect, so it does look handmade. It's like a really nice piece, whoever made this. I need to go and wash these though. So I might go to the laundromat after I go grocery shopping. Yes. But today is a lot of errands and hopefully I can tackle all of them. I always get so lazy. I haven't tried this before. I wanted to have it along with these chips. Of course, got my Greek yogurt and also this chicken meatball. Crispy, crunchy okra. I have no idea what this is gonna be like, but I haven't seen this before, so decided to pick this one up. So broccoli, cabbage. I am obsessed with this. So good. A nice spicy kick for even with Korean food and just like pasta. My sister actually introduced this one to me and told me that it was really good. They do have another version, which is the green juice, and this one has beet, strawberry, apple, watermelon, elderberry, cranberry, and hibiscus tea. I think these two I'm the most obsessed with. Really like it with this white combination. And then these are just nice statements. And what I like to do for grocery spendings is to save the receipts, and then I will compare different grocery stores for the prices of similar items, just so that I have an idea of how expensive things are getting and which location has better deals. This has been working really great for me because I've been able to catch that and choose where I go to buy certain things.
I saw you, baby. Or was it all just in my dreams? I felt so lonely until you came and rescued me. The pain will never go away. It's engraved all in my blood. I guess I'll never be